Can penis pumps actually make you bigger? If yes, then how to use a penis pump to get bigger? Hi, I'm Dr. Fiona, a sexologist and a urological surgeon, and in this short video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the penis pumps. Before I answer the big question, let's talk about what a penis pump actually is. A penis pump is a device designed to help men achieve and maintain an erection. It consists of a cylinder that fits over the penis and a pump that creates a vacuum around it, drawing blood into the penis to help it become erect. Alright, so how does it work? Well, the pump works by creating a vacuum that pulls blood into the penis, causing it to swell and become erect. This increased blood flow can increase the size of the penis, both in length and girth. Once the penis is erect, then a constriction ring can be placed at the base to maintain the erection. So, what does the science say? Some studies have shown that regular use of penis pumps over an extended period can lead to modest increases in penis size. However, these gains are usually not permanent and can vary from person to person. It's important to note that the primary use of penis pumps is for treating erectile dysfunction, not necessarily for enlargement. Many men have reported positive experiences with penis pumps, noting that they feel more confident and satisfied with the temporary increase in size. However, it's essential to manage expectations and understand that significant permanent enlargement is unlikely. So, one of the most common questions is whether penis pumps can lead to permanent enlargement. The short answer is that penis pumps can provide a temporary increase in size. This temporary boost can last for a few hours and is mainly due to the increased blood flow to the penis. So, how to use a pump? Well, there are mainly two types of penis pumps, manual and electric. Manual pumps require you to use a hand pump to create the vacuum, while electric pumps do the work for you with the push of a button. Both types can be effective, so it really comes down to personal preference and convenience. So, how to use it? Using a penis pump is relatively straightforward, but it's important to follow these steps to ensure safety and effectiveness. First, start by reading the instructions that come with your pump. Make sure all parts are clean and ready to use. It's also a good idea to trim any pubic hair to ensure a good seal. Second, apply a water-based lubricant to the base of your penis and the opening of the pump. This helps create a better seal and makes the process more comfortable. Third, place the cylinder over your penis. Make sure it's positioned correctly to create a good seal against your body. If you're using a manual pump, start pumping slowly to create a vacuum. If you have an electric pump, turn it on and let it do the work. You'll feel your penis getting harder as blood is drawn into it. Keep an eye on the pressure gauge, if your pump has one, and never exceed the recommended pressure. Pumping too hard or too quickly can cause injury. Use the pump for about 10 to 15 minutes at a time. You can repeat this process several times a week, but avoid overuse to prevent injury. And, once you're done, slowly release the pressure by opening the valve. Remove the cylinder carefully. Now, let's talk about the benefits and risks. The main benefit of using a penis pump is that it can help men with erectile dysfunction achieve an erection. It can also temporarily increase the size of the penis, which some men find satisfying. However, there are risks involved, such as bruising, pain, and in rare cases, more serious injuries. So, here are a few tips to get the best results. Use the pump regularly, but not excessively. Overuse can lead to injury. Stay hydrated, as good blood flow is essential for effectiveness. Combine pumping with penile exercises like jelqing to enhance results. If you have any medical conditions or are taking medication, consult with a doctor before using a pump. By the way, if your penis is small, and you want to know, why is it small while others have bigger? You may find your answer in this video. So, yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.